Hey guys, Larry the tractor guy here. Real quick, we're on this L341 here. We've got two of these out here in the field today. But the first thing we're gonna look at on this particular L341 is this Phiber stacker that stacks three 3x4 bales, 3 high, and then dumps them out. So we're gonna do a quick run through on the Phiber stacker, and just so that you kind of see how this stacker operates. So we're going to kind of run them through a test run real quick, and I've got some help here to help me do that, and so that you can get an idea of exactly how this stacker works. Real quick, we're going to run through the automation part of this Phiber accumulator, okay, and kind of show you what happens and how it stacks 3 bales. Stephen, if you will, go ahead and hold your hand in front of the sensor. Okay, so it thinks a bale is coming through the front part of the accumulator now. And as soon as I have Stephen remove his hand from the sensor, we're going to pretend that a bale rolled down this roller bed, tripped this floor switch. There's a sensor on the bottom tailgate that sees the bale coming in, okay? And when it sees the bale coming in, it'll kick back just a little bit and then push the bale back up in the accumulator. And then you'll see these arms raise and raise the first bale up so that it'll clear for the second bale. Go ahead and remove your hand. Okay, bale's feeding in. Tailgate seen it come in, pushed it back. Okay, it's raising that bale up out of our way. Okay, so now the accumulator is ready for the second bale. Okay, hold your hand over the eye. Okay, remove your hand. Okay, so we're pretending a second bale is rolling in. Sees the second bale come in. Accumulator comes down. Picks up the second bale. Okay, so now we have 2 bales stacked on the accumulator and have room for the third bale. Okay, hold your hand over the sensor. Okay, take your hand off. Okay, third bale coming in the accumulator down the roller bed. Now the gate is going to open and let the 3 bales roll out. So as soon as the 3 bales are cleared from the accumulator, the rear gate will close. Okay, that's how it works. We'll show you how it works a little better when we get in the field and we're able to bale some hay.